Have you ever wondered how large companies manage and analyze their enormous amount of data? Welcome to the world of big data, where data sets are so large and complex they defy traditional data processing software. The volume, velocity, and variety of data generated today are staggering. Handling this data avalanche presents its own challenges and requires specialized tools. So it's not just about collecting data, but making sense of it all. One way to manage and analyze this massive amount of data is by using tools like Pig and Hive. So what exactly are Pig and Hive, and how can they be used in handling big data? Let's dive into it. Pig and Hive are two powerful tools that can help you navigate the vast ocean of big data. They're part of the Apache Hadoop ecosystem, a collection of open-source software utilities that facilitate the processing of large data sets. First, let's talk about Pig. This isn't your typical farm animal. It's a high-level scripting language designed for data analysts. Pig simplifies common tasks like filtering and sorting, making it easier to work with big data. Its primary component, Pig Latin, is a procedural language that provides a simple way to express data transformations. With Pig, you can handle complex data structures and perform operations on them, all in a more straightforward manner than traditional scripting languages. Next, let's discuss Hive. As its name suggests, Hive is all about the collective. It's a data warehouse tool that excels in data summarization, querying, and analysis. Essentially, Hive allows you to query and manage large datasets residing in distributed storage. It uses a language called HiveQL, which is similar to SQL, making it a favorite among those familiar with structured query language. Both Pig and Hive can handle petabytes of data, making them indispensable tools in the world of big data. They're designed to simplify the process of analyzing large volumes of data, enabling you to uncover insights that could otherwise remain hidden. Now that you know what Pig and Hive are, you might be wondering how they work in practice. Let's dive into the practical applications of Pig. In handling big data, Pig, a high-level platform for creating MapReduce programs, is a marvel when it comes to processing and analyzing massive data sets. Pig uses its high-level language, Pig Latin, which is specifically designed to express data transformations in a more simplified manner. One of the biggest advantages of Pig is its ability to handle different data types, including structured and unstructured data. This means it can work with almost any type of data you throw at it, from simple numerical data to complex nested data structures. This makes Pig a versatile tool in the world of big data. Pig's flexibility in processing data is another compelling reason to use it. Unlike traditional programming languages that require a specific sequence of operations, Pig Latin allows for a more flexible data flow. It doesn't dictate a particular order of operations, but instead lets you focus on describing what you want to do with the data. Imagine a scenario where a business wants to analyze customer behavior across multiple platforms. With Pig, they can easily process and analyze large volumes of customer data from different sources and generate valuable insights to drive their marketing strategies. That's how Pig can make handling big data much simpler. But what about Hive? Now let's explore the applications of Hive in big data. Hive is a powerful tool in the realm of big data, particularly in the areas of data summarization, query, and analysis. It's essentially a data warehouse infrastructure built on top of Hadoop that provides a mechanism to project structure onto large amounts of unstructured data. One of the key advantages of Hive is its SQL-like interface. This feature makes it a user-friendly tool for those who are familiar with SQL, reducing the learning curve for data manipulation and query execution. With Hive, you can write complex MapReduce jobs using a language that is similar to SQL, known as HiveQL. But the real power of Hive lies in its ability to handle large data sets. The infrastructure is designed to support tables containing millions of rows, making it an excellent choice for big data analytics. Let's consider an example. Suppose you're working in a large e-commerce company. The company collects vast amounts of data about customer behavior, sales, website traffic, and more. Hive can be used to analyze this data, identify trends, and generate reports. For instance, you might use Hive to analyze sales data and identify the most popular products in different regions, helping the company to tailor its marketing strategies. So, That's how Hive can be a powerful tool for big data analysis. In conclusion, both Pig and Hive are powerful tools for handling big data. We've explored what big data is and the roles Pig and Hive play in managing this data. So, next time you hear about big data, remember that tools like Pig and Hive are making it much more manageable.